The activation of DMS is related to the vehicle speed. Only when the speed reaches the threshold will DMS be activated. So if you test this function indoors or the vehicle is stationary, the DMS testing can't be performed. In this case, the DMS testing provided by WiFiKit will prove useful. First, open WiFiKit and connect to the device hotspot to access the dashboard. Tap on Debug at the bottom and then on DMS calibration to complete the calibration. After calibration success, return to the previous page and tap on DMS testing. The live video of the DMS camera will appear on the page. If the dashcam is installed in the vehicle, sit and look forward at the usual driving posture, and make sure your head appears in the reference frame with no other objects blocking the lines. Try to close your eyes, use your phone or smoke, and wait for a voice prompt to announce a trigger success. That's it.
Drowsy driving warning.
If the testing is taken indoors, try to simulate the actual scenario and sit in front of the table like you were driving. Then place the DMS camera on the left or right side. Like this, the included angle is less than 30 degrees. Keep your face in the reference frame on the video without any other objects blocking the view. Try to close your eyes, use your phone or smoke, and wait for a voice prompt to announce a trigger success. That's it.
Smoking warning.
That's only for testing. It is recommended that you do a real-life testing on the road. That's all about doing the DMS testing. All features updates of this app will be based on this.